Hello kids, so today we'll be starting with practice set 1.1 9th standard geometry. Okay, so first thing we have to find is distance BE. Now see what is distance BE. In a number line that is before you, in a number line the point which is to the right is always greater. Okay, like A and B, which one is greater? B. Simple reason, because it is to the right. J and Q, which one is greater? J is greater? Yes, because it is to the right of Q. So whichever is to the right, that will be bigger. Okay, and the formula goes like this. It is bigger coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. Okay, so B and E, we will see first which one is greater. E is greater. Okay, so it will be E minus B, so that is 5 minus 2, greater coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. So what is the distance? The distance is 3. Now distance is something, students, which will always be positive. It will never be negative. The side of a square, the side of a rectangle, it can never be negative because it is physically something. Okay, so distance is also physically something, so it has to be in positive only. It can never be 0 also. Side of square, side of triangle, can it be negative? No. Can it be 0? No, it cannot be 0 also. Okay, so one more example we will take, like 7th one. It is distance PJ. Can you tell me which one is the greater one? P or J? It is J. So bigger coordinate minus the smaller coordinate. So it will be minus 2 minus minus 4. Okay, so this becomes minus 2 plus 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so this is your answer. This is how you can do. I think so 2 examples are enough, rest are easy. Okay, so we'll move on to question number 2. Question 2 is, if the coordinate of A is x and coordinate of B is y, then find distance AB. Okay, this is what they have asked, and the first one they have given x equals to 1, y equals to 7. Okay, now very simple, distance AB, okay, it will be equal to, here y is greater, so I'll first write y minus x. Okay, so y minus x is 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. So therefore we got distance AB equals to 6. Okay, let us do the 5th one. X equals to minus 3 and y equals to minus 6. Yes students, can you tell me which one is greater? X, here x is greater, so it will be x minus y. Minus 3 is greater to minus 6. So minus 3 minus minus 6. Okay, which is equal to minus 3. This will become plus 6. Okay, and what is 6 minus 3 is 3. So therefore distance AB equals to 3. Okay, now in the third one we have to find the betweenness. It means which point is between the other two. Okay, like you can see 3 distances here, PR, PQ and QR. Okay, now first you have to see the distances in ascending order. This is the smallest, then comes this, and then comes this. Now first you have to check whether these points are collinear or not, which you can do orally. Okay, see how. The two smaller one, is there some equal to the third one? 3 plus 7, yes, it is 10. So yes, they are collinear. Okay, first we'll do it orally, then whatever we have to write, we can write. Okay, if they are collinear, okay, let us see the points here, PR, PQ and QR. So there are 3 points here, P, Q and R. Okay, let us look at the largest one, PQ. It means P and Q will be on the either sides. Okay, they will be the endpoints because this is the largest one. So you will not take P and Q is in between. They are not in between points. So only one point remains, that is in between, that is R. Are you getting this? So it is very easy to check which point is in between. Just take the largest side. Okay, the largest distance is PQ. So the point which is not present here is your in between point. Okay, so I'll first write the smaller distances. Distance PR plus distance QR equals to 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Therefore distance PQ is also 10. Okay, therefore I can write, therefore distance PR plus distance QR equals to distance PQ. This plus this is equal to this. Therefore P, Q, R are collinear points. Okay, and which point is between the other two here? You can see, either see here or you can see here which point is common in the smaller one. R is common. Therefore R lies in between P and Q. Okay, one more example we'll do. Let us say third one, or we'll say fourth one. Distance LN equals to 11, distance MN equals to 12 and distance NL equals to 8. Okay, now you can see, students, as we follow the pattern, we first see in ascending order 8, 11 and 12. Now add the two smaller one. Are we getting the third one? 8 plus 11 is becoming 19, and this is not 19, this is 12. So are these points collinear? No, there is no question of collinearity. So there is no question of betweenness. So it is very simple. We'll add distance LM plus distance NL, the first and third one, equals to 11 plus 8, which is equal to 19, and distance MN equals to 12. Therefore simply write down distance LM plus distance NL is not equal to distance MN. Therefore points L, M, N are not collinear. Okay, students. Now we'll come to question number 4, where distance AC is 10, distance CB is 8, okay, and you have to find distance AB considering all possibilities. Considering all possibilities simply means that A, B, C are collinear and we don't know the betweenness here. Okay, now it can be like this, okay, that we can have A, C, B, okay, or we can have A, B, C. Okay, what we know is distance AC is 10, distance CB is 8. So if C is between A and B, we will get distance AB as 10 plus 8, 18. Okay, and if B is between A and C, then you know AC is 10, this is 8, so it will be 2. These are the only two possibilities. Okay, so I'll write if A dash C dash B, then distance AB equals to distance AC plus distance BC. Okay, that is equal to 10 plus 8, that is 18. Okay, this is the first possibility. I'll come to the second possibility. If A dash B dash C, then distance AB will be equal to distance AC minus distance BC. Okay, so that is 10 minus 8, which will be equal to 2. So these are the only two possibilities that you can do. Okay, so let us move on to the next problem, question number 5. Okay, so we'll do sixth one now. You can see fifth one is similar to fourth one. So in sixth one, it is given that A dash B dash C, okay, and length AC equals to 11, length BC equals to 6.5. So first we'll draw as it is A, B, C. They have already given the betweenness. B is between A and C. So what else we know? We know AC is 11, so I'll draw a line here. This AC is 11. And what about BC? BC is 6.5. Then what is length AB? It is very simple. Length AB equals to length AC minus length BC. Okay, AB is what? AC minus BC. Okay, if you don't understand this, there is another way, but it is very easy. AB is AC minus BC. Okay, so it is 11 minus 6.5. I think so. This is 4.5. Okay, so length AB we got 4.5. Okay, then we'll come to the third one. Okay, now here this is a surd, as you have learnt in algebra. What is a surd? 3 root 7. Here you have to consider it as a variable. Okay, 3 root 7. While solving, I can call it 3a, and this is a. Okay, because while simplifying, okay, it will be very easy for us. Like here, xz and xy is given, and x dash y dash z is given. So it will be easier if we draw. Okay, xz means the bigger one is 3 root 7, and the smaller one xy is root 7. Okay, so very simple. Yz, length yz, beg your pardon, length yz will be equal to length xz minus length xy. Okay, so that is 3 root 7 minus root 7. So as you do, what is 3a minus a? It is 2a. So similarly, what is 3 root 7 minus 1 root 7? It is 2 root 7. Okay, and the last one, question number 7th, is very easy. Which figure is formed by 3 non-collinear points? So if I make 3 non-collinear points A, B and C, there will be only one figure that we can draw out of it, that is a triangle. Okay, what we can draw is a triangle. So I have just drawn it to explain you. There is no need of drawing. Okay, you just have to answer it. A triangle can be drawn. We are